Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. From this video onwards, I'm gonna also post Blender related tutorials on this channel. So make sure to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you can get quick notification every time I upload a video. Also share these videos with your friends. Let's get into this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a 3D text using Blender's internal render engine. First open your Blender. To rotate this viewport, click your middle mouse button and drag. Before getting into this video, make sure to change this preference if you are completely new to Blender. Go to File, Preferences, Input, change Select with left. Default it will be right, change it to left so that you can select object with left mouse click. Then save settings. Now to delete this cube, select the cube and click X on your keyboard. This will delete your cube. To add a text, press Shift plus A on your keyboard. Now select text, press tab to edit mode. Now you can edit your text. I'm gonna type in Blender. Press tab again to come back to object mode. To rotate the text, press R, X for X axis and 90 for 90 degree. Position the text to the middle. Now enlarge the properties panel. Click the F icon, which is the object data. Change the render resolution to 12. On the geometry, the extrude value will extrude the text and depth value will give bevel to the text. I'm going to slightly increase the depth and the extrude value. You can change the font by clicking here, Windows, Fonts. This will load the fonts that are installed on your computer. I'm going to select the impact font. Now I'm going to add a plane for the floor. Shift A and plane. Press S and drag your mouse to scale. Also scale the text. Now select the text and click on the Materials tab on Properties panel and click on New. This will create a new material and change the color of the text. Now click on the plane and add a new material. We need to add a wall for this scene. For that, you can create a new plane mesh. Instead, you can also duplicate from the previous plane. Select this plane and Shift D to duplicate. Press Escape to get back to its position. Press R to rotate, X for X axis and 90 for 90 degree. Move it just behind the text. Place the lamp in front of the text. Then Shift plus D to duplicate and place it on the center and on the left. Press number pad 1 for the front view. Select the left and right lamp and go to lamp tab in properties panel, and on the shadow make it to no shadow for those left and right lamp. Press Shift plus Z to get into the rendered view. You can see the rendered view from this port. Now I'm gonna add walls on the side. Shift plus D to duplicate the plane and press R to rotate, Y for Y axis and 90 for 90°. Duplicate this and move it to the another side. Shift plus Z to the rendered view. Now we need to locate the camera. So rotate and move the 3D viewport until you get the desired position. Then press Ctrl plus Alt plus number pad 0 to move the camera and place it on the current location. To move the camera, make the camera active and press G and move the mouse to pan the camera. To zoom in or zoom out, go to the camera icon in the properties panel. Increase or decrease the focal length, which will zoom in and zoom out. If you don't like this view, you can also change to different view by pressing middle mouse button and rotating the view, and after finding the different location, press Ctrl plus Alt plus number pad 0 to move the camera to that location. You can also change the camera type from perspective to orthographic, but I'm going to leave it to perspective. To render, click on the camera icon on the properties panel, change the resolution to 100%, then click on render. To save, click on image, save as image. Type your file name. Reduce the compression to 0%. Then click on save as image. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also click on the bell icon to get quick notification if I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.